Hello all, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you all festival wear collections in an affordable price range. All the product links are given in the description box. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log in to our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com. Or else if you have any issues in placing the order, please ping us in WhatsApp, which is 9176641794. So without any delays, let me start showing you the item. So the first item is a soft chanderi silk top. Okay, so this is how the top will be. If the fabric is soft chanderi silk top, so it's a dark navy blue color chanderi silk top with a complete sequence work, and you will be getting a Swarovski stone work in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting a Banarasi patchwork as well. Okay, so this has got a so this is how the top looks. It's a dark navy blue color top. You will be getting a Banaras patchwork in the daman as well. Okay. So this is a kind of a semi-stitched top. You will be getting a ready-made neck work in the yoke portion, and you can stitch the body portion according to your size. Okay. So this is how the top looks. A very beautiful and a very lengthy navy blue colored soft chanderi silk top. The back portion will be plain. Only the front portion you will be getting this embroidery work, and this has got a completely sequence work soft silk dupatta. This is okay. So this is also very lengthy dupatta, very lengthy dupatta. This is okay, very lengthy soft silk dupatta. The complete sequence work. The full dupatta has got a sequence work, and you will be getting a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this is how the set look. It's a dark navy blue color soft chanderi silk top with a complete sequence work and Swarovski stone work in the yoke portion, and it has got a contrast soft silk dupatta, the complete sequence work, and you will be getting a contrast cotton bottom, priced only for 1090 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 colors, all are very beautiful color combinations. So the next is dark maroon color. Okay, so this is the top, very beautiful color this is, and you will be getting a mango yellow colored dupatta and bottom with this. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Very beautiful dark maroon color soft chanderi silk top, very lengthy fabric this is, so no need to worry on the measurements. So you will be getting just a ready-made neck work alone, remaining everything you can stitch according to your size. And this is the dupatta, mango yellow color soft silk dupatta, very lengthy dupatta this is, very lengthy soft silk dupatta, the complete sequence work, and you will be getting a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. So we have got one more color, that's we have got only 4 colors in this. So this is the next color. It's a dark bottle green. Okay, these are all soft sequence work, so will be very comfortable to wear. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Very lengthy and a very beautiful color. This is dark bottle green color chanderi silk top with a golden brown color soft silk dupatta. Very beautiful color combination this is, dark bottle green with golden brown. Okay, so this is how the set looks, and we will be getting a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this set is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. So the next is yellow. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's an yellow color soft chanderi silk top. Okay, and you will be getting a bottle green color dupatta with this. The dupatta is soft silk, so will be very comfortable to wear, and very lengthy fabric also this is, and you will be getting a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this: yellow, blue, maroon and green. All the 4 colors are very beautiful item. We have given the product link in the description box, so kindly do check it. Now let's move on to the next item. So the next item is again a soft chanderi silk top. Okay, so this is a green colored soft chanderi silk top with a very beautiful work in the yoke portion. Okay, all these are very beautiful hand work. Okay, so this is also a very lengthy fabric. Okay, so this is also a very lengthy fabric, will be more than enough actually. So this is how the top looks, and this has got an embroidered chiffon dupatta. So this set comes in a very budget friendly price. Okay, so this is a very lengthy, okay, very lengthy soft chiffon dupatta with the complete embroidered work. Okay, the full dupatta has got an embroidered work, and you will be getting a soft zari weavings as well, and this comes with a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this is how the set looks. A very beautiful soft chanderi silk top with the patchwork in the yoke portion, and you will be getting a very lengthy completely embroidered chiffon dupatta and a contrast cotton bottom, and this set is priced only for $750 with free shipping. Okay, very worth. For $750 it's really worth the buy, so don't miss it. We have got 2 colors in this. So this is the next color combination. Okay, this is again a light green, yellowish green with green color bottom. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Okay, you will be getting a very simple patchwork in the yoke portion, and remaining everything are printed work, and this has got a dual shaded chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta looks. You will be getting a dual shaded chiffon dupatta with this, and this is the bottom. Okay, contrast cotton bottom, and this set is priced only for $750 with free shipping. We have got 2 colors in this. For $750 it's really worth the buy, so don't miss it. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is the cotton set. Okay, it's an yellow colored soft cotton top with a sequence work in the yoke portion, and you'll be getting a simple patchwork as well. So this is also a kind of semi-stitched item. You will be getting a neck portion alone. The body portion you can stitch according to your size. Okay, so this is also a very lengthy fabric. So this is how the top looks. It's a kind of a mustard yellow color cotton top with a very beautiful dupatta. You will be getting a completely bandhani printed soft silk dupatta. Okay, the full dupatta has got a bandhani print. Very lengthy dupatta also this is. Such a lengthy dupatta this is. Okay, so this is the overall view of the set, and you will be getting a same colored bottom. Okay, same colored bottom with this. Okay, it's an yellow colored soft cotton top with a completely bandhani printed soft silk dupatta and the same colored bottom, priced only for $1,090 with free shipping. So we have got one more color in this. So that's grey color. Okay, it's a grey colored soft silk top, sorry, soft cotton top with the sequence work in the yoke portion, and you'll be getting a simple patchwork as well. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a very beautiful dupatta. Actually, the dupatta looks really good. Very soft dupatta also this is. Very soft and a very beautiful soft silk dupatta, very lengthy dupatta, and you will be getting a same colored bottom. Okay, same colored cotton bottom, and the price of the set is $1,090 with free shipping. So the next item is a cotton item. Okay, it's a cream color cotton top. You'll be getting completely printed pattern, and also you'll be getting a simple hand work in the yoke portion. So this is a very simple but a very pretty item this is. Okay, so this is how the top looks. So this is also very lengthy fabric. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a dual shaded chiffon dupatta with this. Okay, so this is the dupatta. You'll be getting a dual shaded chiffon dupatta with this, and a printed bottom, completely printed soft cotton bottom. Okay, so this is the overall view of the set. It's a printed soft cotton top with a dual shaded chiffon dupatta and a printed cotton bottom, priced only for $790 with free shipping. So this is a single color item. We don't have colors in this. Very beautiful item this is, so don't miss it. So the next item is the one similar to what I am wearing. So this is a pink color soft muslin silk top. Okay, the fabric is very soft. Okay, very soft muslin silk top. You will be getting simple thread work in the yoke portion, and the full top has got a digital printed work. Very beautiful color this is, and you will be getting a same colored plain chiffon dupatta with this. So this one is also very lengthy dupatta. Okay, very lengthy soft chiffon dupatta you will be getting with this, and the same colored cotton bottom. Okay, so this is a pink colored completely digital printed soft muslin silk top with a plain chiffon dupatta and a plain cotton bottom, priced only for $990 with free shipping. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a single color item. Okay, so this is a pink colored soft silk top with a very beautiful hangings in the yoke portion, and the yoke portion has also got a very beautiful sequence work as well. Okay, so this is also a single color item. We don't have colors in this. I hope you could see the fabric quality also. So this is a soft silk fabric, and this is also a semi-stitched item, but you can stitch up to XXL size. Okay, very lengthy fabric. This is the full top is plain. Just you will be getting a sequence work in the yoke portion alone, but this has got a very beautiful dupatta. Okay, completely digital printed soft silk dupatta. This is with a very beautiful sequence work. Okay, so this is how the sequence work look. So this is a kind of a stall dupatta. The width will be shorter, but you will be getting a very lengthy dupatta with this. Okay, the width will be more than enough actually, but the length will be more than enough, but the width will be shorter, but the dupatta looks will be very good. You will be getting a very beautiful print. Okay, this is a soft silk dupatta. This is a soft silk top with a soft silk dupatta, and you will be getting a soft cotton bottom. Same color soft cotton bottom. So this set is also priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. So again for $9.90. So this is a worth a buy. So don't miss it. It's a pink colored soft silk top with a completely digital printed soft silk dupatta and a soft cotton bottom, priced only for $9.90. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item is also a very beautiful item. So this is the kind of a yellowish green colored soft chanderi silk top. Okay, I hope you could see the quality of the fabric as well, with a very beautiful hand work. All these are complete hand work, and you will be getting zari buttas all over the top. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting a very beautiful hand work in the yoke portion. The full top has got zari buttas. Okay, so this is also a very lengthy fabric. It's more than enough, and you will be getting a completely printed soft silk cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is a dupatta you will be getting. You will be getting a complete printed pattern, and also you will be getting a golden thread embroidery. These are all golden thread embroidery. You will be getting in the bottom portion of the dupatta, and this comes with a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this is also very lengthy dupatta. Very lengthy dupatta. This is very beautiful set, and this set is priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. It's a soft chanderi silk top with a soft silk cotton dupatta and a contrast bottom, priced only for $9.90. So that's all for today. I hope everyone liked the collections what I have shown you. All the product links are given in the description box. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do click on the link in the description box and go ahead with your orders. If at all, if you have any issues in placing the order, please ping us in WhatsApp, which is 9176641794. I'll meet you all with the new set of collections tomorrow. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye-bye.